how you guys doing? This is Dooney Girl 75. I'd like to thank you for tuning into my channel. I like to share an unboxing with you all. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like to see more of my videos, don't forget to select that bell button. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. All right, well, I guess you can call this part 2 of my unboxing. Because while I was uploading a video, 2 of my packages came in. So I'd like to share this with you all. Right? I already tore this part off, so make it easy to get into. I'd like to thank everyone for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm going to slow it down a little bit because my last video I was talking so fast I was leaving words out. So excited. I apologize, y'all. Here it is. Alright, trying to get in here. This is my coin case. Oh, look at her in the color black. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's smooth. Love her. Okay. Awesome. Okay. See about this zipper here. Okay, we have some challenges here. Okay, I see what it is. Let's move this out of the way, maybe. Yep, that's what it was. This part was in the way. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Give me a second, because it keeps getting in the way. Let's try it again. Got it. Now let's try to zipper out one more time. Okay, yes, we are good there, and we are good there. Yes. Okay. I love this. She is gorgeous. All right, and the next one. Okay. And this is another coin case. I purchased one years ago in the color navy. Here it is. I haven't even used it yet. Here's the navy. Here's the black. I missed out on getting the red and the ecru. I hope they pop up on I Love Dooney, and I will snag that right on up. Oh, the natural is gorgeous too. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Now I gotta go back on there and order the chestnut. She is gorgeous. I think the chestnut is still on there. Let me take this off. Oh. It's really tied up in there. I'm not even gonna, well, let's see. There we go. Now, test the zipper out too. Okay, zipper's good. Alrighty. Here's my 2. Well, now I have 3. Navy, black, and natural. Can't wait to get my hand on the red and the ecru. Alright. So if you haven't purchased these, there's still some available, some colors available. So if I were you, I would go on there and get you a couple of these because they are gorgeous. Alright. I want to see for my keys. There we go. My keys going here easily. Let's see. Let's see. I'm not good at this, but I'm going to try it with y'all. Okay. Now success. Let's try it again. Okay, let's see. it. Okay. I like that. All right. And also, I forgot to show you, it has a pocket in the back. Okay. Yes, all of them have a pocket in the back. Awesome. Okay. Take care of this. Have my keys. All right. All right. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like to see more of my video, don't forget to select that bell button. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. All right. Thank you. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.